Hello everyone, my name is Adam. I am from Azerbaijan from Baku City. My setup username is Adam2006. My edX account AA underscore 25 or 6 underscore 88ZU. I'm recording in this video in 13 November 2015. This is my final project for CSS50's Introduction to Database with SQL in Harvard University. The mobile database are designed to help ABB Bank users find bank accounts online, as the database contains sensitive bank-related information such as account details and balance values. The data is used by the bank brands to ensure account security and for users to manage their bank informations. Here are the five tables which structure the database: users, which stores the basic information about individuals and reference for customers; branch, which contains details necessary to correctly identify the brand's locations; accounts, which includes the every account number such as which the branch the account number was obtained from; transactions, which holds each bank transaction about the account number, its balance, and any other payments; card ID, with the basic card information, however, user controlling and managing card balance in the mobile app. To visualize the relationship between these tables, I have created an entity relationship diagram which provides a clear representation of how they are connected together. So here we have the create tables and index to optimize performance and make searches more efficient. So I implemented create tables that allow users to quickly enter key information as users, brands, accounts, card ID, and transactions. Additionally, I included four indexes which speed up to most common searches in the users and cards uh, and transaction accounts tables. Uh, Finally, I have included several common queries that are frequently used, such as insert and update statements to manage tables or records, and delete from statement to using new change in the tables. This structures approach ensures that the ABB Mobile Bank database is both efficient and secure, making available for users handling banking systems process. Thank you, everybody.